Hey guys, it's Maddie. I'm just here for my thoughts of the day. I've just been thinking a lot about, sorry, my past and like just the things that that would always hold me back from doing certain things. Sometimes we tend to hear things from other people and be like, oh no, you shouldn't do it, this and that. But then, like, they probably never tried it themselves or you've never tried it yourself or whatnot. But I've been down that road so many times, and you know what? Honestly, you just have to sometimes just step out and be like, you know what? I'm gonna just check this out. I'm gonna try it, do what I gotta do. What can it hurt? It doesn't hurt anything. Success is made by thought process, failure. You fail, you pick yourself back up, and you keep going. That's what success is never to stop. Keep going forward. That was just a little bit that I wanted to share. And also, like I said, always with mindset, you always just got to be thankful and think about the things that you want, but really pretend like you already have them, more or less. You just envision them as like realistic, and then they become real. But, anyways, on that note, I just want to leave you guys with a little thought. So, anyways, hope you guys have a great Memorial weekend, the rest of your weekend. Actually, tomorrow, happy Memorial Day. See you guys soon. Bye.